LUMIX G9II with 12 to 60 millimeter lens, sharp 25.2 megapixel images, real-world proof.
Ever feel like your camera's autofocus ghosts you just when that bird takes flight, leaving you with a blurry mess and a missed story? I remember chasing a fleeting sunset hike shot, only to curse my old gear's lag. You're not alone in that frustration. The Panasonic LUMIX G9II changes the game with its phase hybrid AF for precise tracking. What's your biggest shooting headache? Drop it in the comments below. Let's swap ideas.
Deadlines loom, stress builds like a gathering storm, and burnout hits when every frame counts but your setup falters under pressure. Imagine the gut punch of shaky handheld video ruining your travel vlog. But here's the subtle promise. The LUMIX G9 Mark II 0.8 stop body image stabilizer hands you control and crystal clarity, no extra chaos needed. Feel that weight lift? Hit like if you've battled shaky shots too.
Enter the Panasonic LUMIX G9II, the hybrid powerhouse that's finally bridging the gap for micro Four Thirds shooters, craving pro-level speed and stability without the buck. Its phase hybrid AF locks onto subjects, humans, animals, even motorcycles with AI smarts for unflinching 60 FPS burst tracking, turning erratic wildlife action into tack-sharp sequences. The 25.2 megapixel sensor, paired with dynamic range boost, pulls rich details from shadows and highlights, while the 7.5 stop dual IS2 lets you nail handheld telephoto shots in dim forests, feeling the steady hum of confidence in every press. And for video pros, C4K 120p slow motion captures decisive moments with buttery ease, all in a weather-sealed body that's light enough for all-day mobility with the versatile 12 to 60 millimeter f2.8 to 4.0 lens. Picture this. A busy event photographer almost blew a deadline chasing a fast-moving bride and groom, but switched to the G9II's pre-burst mode, snapping 1.5 seconds retroactively to save the day with flawless candids. The emotional rush of nailing that impossible shot? Pure adrenaline. As a bonus teaser, stick around for my quick tip on maximizing high-res mode. Downloadable checklists in the description. Ready to feel that breakthrough?
With the LUMIX G9II, efficiency skyrockets as phase hybrid AF and 60 FPS bursts slash missed moments, sharpening your focus for creative flow instead of fiddling with settings. Performance that feels liberating, like shedding heavy chains. Wildlife pro Sarah Jennings raves, the G9II's tracking tenacity rivals full-frame beasts, but in a packable MFT body, game changer for hikes. Influencer Mike Torres echoes, handheld 4K 120p video looks gimbal smooth. Vlog rating flexibility has my travel films popping. Analysts note a 2x processing speed beast over the original G9, with stats showing 779 AF points nailing -4 EV low-light focus. One user upgrading from an older MFT shared, I captured birds in flight without a hitch. Pre-burst saved shots I'd have lost forever. For my own tests, the 12 to 60 millimeter lens delivers Leica sharp versatility, turning casual walks into pro portfolios. See why thousands can't stop talking about this. It's the MFT revival everyone's buzzing over. Worried about the learning curve? The intuitive joystick and customizable buttons make it a breeze, even if you're switching systems. No steep costs or confusion. Share your upgrade dreams in the comments. What feature excites you most?
Join thousands who've leveled up their shots with the Panasonic LUMIX G9II. Don't miss out as stock on this kit with the 12 to 60 millimeter lens dips low, and our exclusive time-boxed bonus, a free focus stacking template, expires in 48 hours. Results may vary, but pros swear by its phase hybrid AF for real precision. Grab yours now via the link below. Affiliate disclosure we earn from qualifying purchases. What's stopping you from that perfect capture? Click through, transform your game, and tell me your first impressions in the comments.